What's up, YouTube? This is Boston Sucks 7 again here. I'm at spring training down in Florida right now. Stopped at the Shortstop Sports Cards in Palm Harbor, right there. Great card store. If y'all are ever down here, you got to check it out. It's good stuff. Picking up a new box of the 09 Upper Deck. You get 2 memorabilia cards and 1 autograph in each box. So let's see how it goes. Alright, first pack. Bunch of base so far. First cool card, we got a team leaders here from the Angels, Ervin Santana, Vlad Guerrero, and K-Rod. Casey McGehee, rookie. There's a Longoria card. He's big down here in Tampa. Nothing great yet. Second box. Second pack, excuse me. Another team leaders, Mariners, Raul Ibanez, Ichiro, Felix Hernandez. Here you go, stars of the game, Grady Sizemore, not numbered. Matt Antonelli, rookie. Nothing again in that one. Alright, third pack. Team leaders with the Marlins there. Cantu, Ramirez, and Alasko. There's a Mauer mini card here. Don't know much about these kind of packs yet. It's the 09 just came out. Sorry if you can't see these. It's just base anyway. We'll show you all the numbered cards and hit cards. Now the team leaders here, the Astros, Berkman, Oswalt, Tejada. Here's a Jason Donald retrospective, USA versus Japan, from the World Baseball Classic, I guess. Comiskey Park card, it's a classic. Still no hits yet. Saving all the excitement for the end, I guess. Andrew Applin, Team USA card. Dexter Fowler, rookie card. That's a nice one. Mark Sacamano, rookie. Here's our first auto. An incredible Ryan Theriot from the Cubs. LSU alum right there. Ryan Theriot. Got our first hit over here, guys. Ryan Theriot auto. Yep. Decent looking card. Yeah, we still got the 2 memorabilia. Jonathan East rookie card, Dodgers team leaders, Reds team leaders. Here's a Lincecum, baby, Cy Young winner. Another one. I'm going to speed up here, try to get to the hits. I realize I'm taking a little while here. More team leaders. Cardinals there. Yankee Stadium legacy, Johnny Damon. Ryan Weber, Team USA. Here's our second hit. We got a game jersey of Nick Markakis from the Orioles with the outfield design down there. Numbered 143 of 199. 149 actually. Yeah, 143 of 149. Nick Markakis jersey. David Price rookie card. If in fact you played last year as a Giant, it's amazing if you look back and you guys worked out as well as you did. You guys, the good of it, you guys won it. And it goes like that. And one football, you guys are just not going to work. But you made it work. And it seemed like you guys had a good relationship. There wasn't a lot of resentment. How did you make that work? First Asian named MLB manager. Guy from the Mariners, don't really know his names. Got a Pistons card in here, that's weird. Baseball.
One person has a great game, another person will be, right there to help them to lead them on to the we found a way to make it work for us the whole course of the year. Brandon had 1,000, I had 1,000, not on the 500, so.
More base. First AIDS vaccine is developed. Historic card there. Nolan Ryan.
I think Brandon wanted it more than I did that last game versus Minnesota. Once I got it, he was the first person to hug me and congratulate me. And, it was just
sorry if you can't see these cards real well. This table here is not my pool table at home that I usually do this on. I'm not used to it.
5 times you got in their territory, Philadelphia territory, but couldn't catch any touchdowns. That's not a problem that the team had had. Why did you have a couple things to drive in that game?
I think it was just, they just got hurt to that game. We weren't able to
Justin Upton, Dontrell Willis, Troy Tulowitzki, another Yankee Stadium card, Jeter. Michael Bowden, rookie. Sox fans will like that. Glavin, love that guy, great signer. J.R. Tolles, that guy right there is the nicest guy in Major League Baseball. That is a fact. You won't find a more friendly player in the league. Here's your rivals, A-Rod and Evan Longoria. That's a cool card. Pirates team leaders. I'm actually going to their camp tomorrow and got a shot to get that signed. That'd be nice. Down to the last 3 packs. Mets team leaders.
You're not Brian?
Nope.
Oh, you know he is?
Nope. Alright guys, this last hit is definitely coming. Phil Koch, rookie card from the Yankees. Miami Hurricanes card, that's weird. Alright, last pack, this is definitely going to be a hit. Let's see what we get. What? That's weird. Only 1 hit. That's not right. I should have one more hit.
Listen to in the next 2 weeks with the free agency thing and continue to work out the team, stay in shape, and go from there.
That's not good. It does say 2 memorabilia cards and 1 autograph every box, and I only got 1 memorabilia card. I don't think I missed any. Go back through real quick.
Your ABA destination. Tonight, the Magic Baseball Then, Kobe and the Red Hot Lakers battle the Warriors. Coverage begins tonight at 7:30 Eastern on ESPN. Looks like a snake bite. I have achy. Sniffling, sneezing, coughing.
Alright, well, I'm gonna find out what happened, and I'll let y'all know.